Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can add the photo to the Canva resume. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use. Okay, first you can go to the let me search for resume. Okay, so we have the templates here. If you want to generate new resume, you can take any templates from here, and you can see here the option you can add your photos. Okay, so let me take one templates from here. Okay, let me take this one. Go to the customization. So here in the templates we have already photos, so you can replace these photos by clicking right click on it, detach it, then delete it. For zoom some, okay, we need to zoom it. Then we have that frame. Now you can upload your own photo from here. Okay, so you can upload your own photo from here. Just click on upload. Okay, and select your photo, open it, then it will be upload here, start uploading here. Now you can replace this. Okay, now you can put this image on this existing frame. Okay, after that you can minimize or maximize the size of this frame. You need to customize, double click on it, and you can change that size of these photos. You can drag which part you want to visible. You can drag like this. So this is a visible area, so you can make your image perfectly fit into this. Now done. Okay, now if you want to replace with another image, click again, detach it, delete it, and you can upload new image, and you can drag that image from here. Okay, this is the first method. And second method, if you have resume which don't have that frame or existing frame, then you can do one thing. Go to the elements and go here under the frames option. Sorry, this is a form. Need to go in frames, shift frames option. Here you can see the lots of basic frame. Just see all, and here you can see the lots of basic frame. So generally people use this round shape. Just select and drag here and put here, and just adjust your that frame size. Now you can upload your photo from here and drag onto it. Okay, and we have more option for customization. You can double click on it, you can rotate it if you want. Okay, and here we can give the line for these shapes. Okay, border line, or you can change that borderline color if you want. And you can also make background remover. If you have background something on your photo, you can use that background remover, then your photo's background will be removed. Here we can use transparency. If you want to decrease the transparency, you can decrease it like this. Okay, so now you can download as a PDF. Go to the share, download, and download as a PDF. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.